Sebastian, and today, welcome back to my channel. And today, we're going to blow a balloon as well. The name is PICKME balloon for supply. This is called Green Mermaid 12 inches balloon. But this is really cool, black metallic purple. And all here is a blue. And this one is in giant. It has been transparent. So this is really special, transparent. So hope you guys are on the video. This is really good, and I hope you like it. So make sure you hit subs, like, turn on notification if you guys didn't know what you do. Let me know, comment section below if it's a subscribe button. Also check my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. New upload is coming soon. Like future on the YouTubers in #1. I hope you like my video. This is gonna do test it. A bunch of tests for the pop, the balloon. Alright, we're gonna do that. It's really scary for that. It's a rubber. It's like a super rubber. I will see the rubber text everything. Some say it's not cheapest, but it looks like real. I found one of those small from the Karamunsing, from the PICKME. I hope you really notice that there's some marketing even though in me when I blow the balloon anything else. It's like PICKME or something. The last date of the video, it blow up from the unicorn balloon, but it stopped like the wine, it stopped like that. So you guys, we're gonna try test of the, it's like a peach, like a blue, the mermaid prints. So we're gonna do a bunch of tests that. So what happens? Sunglasses on. Handset on. Please don't try this at home. Here we go. Alright. Oh wow, stretch. Check it out, slow motion. I can't believe it. So louder, pinching a hole. But it's Sempertex. Oh my god. Guess what happens? This is, and I can hear like pong. There's an explosion there. Anyway, never later than that, so we're gonna review it. So now, this is a really purple. Black thing of purple. You never seen that before? This is gonna be mermaid print. Same as time, but we don't like actually, but you're gonna be print. We're gonna try this. Sunglasses. Handset, beware. Please don't try this at home. Here we go. Bigger explosion. Sounds like explosion. Let's go check it out, slow motion. So you guys, the above, this is a really expansion. Experienced scientist to test it any balloon some sort about this. Oh, this name of Sempertex balloon. That's never mind. This is Sempertex 12 inches. This is really rubber. I don't know. This is really useful. Explosives like under room that. So family out there, there's a place room. There's explosion. It's like really dangerous. Some stuff insane. So I guess I feel the handset. It's like in my ears. The bang, but I feel headset Sempertex. Leave this. This is a real perfect. I blow this balloon every time I blow this balloon. So now we check see so many things they have. Look, mermaid balloon, the blue. Check review it. Really explode dangerous. So loud. This is so loud. Believe this. This is a 100% Sempertex real. I don't know why rubber is so louder. It gets so hard the louder. The second too is really sparks. Rip anything. Look, see, it's a picture, but it's a rubber text. Let's see rubber text is. It looks like blue, but which means the blue explosion. It's like very rubber and stretch. There's a long neck because it becomes to explosion. Next a stretch. Indeed. And I love one of these balloons and stuff because this. Thank you very much for marketing from the mall Karamunsing from down there, because I feel Karamunsing, you find one of those decoration, it tells me my sister anything that mother like a friendly chance or whatever. So I buy one of those 1 and 2, just like unicorn and something that's mermaid. This is 12-inch balloon. Anything else? But in this video coming soon, I will be blow up and specialized blows up. Just blow out mine. This is something, but it's so explosion. Believe me, this is gonna special subscriber this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys this one understand. Make sure hit subs, like, turn on notification, subscribe to really notice. Please, it's free guys channel there, and don't forget the comment section below if you're subscribed button. What you guys think about that? This is a press on the Baybel. And this is a Baybel stretch balloon. And don't forget the social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It's obviously like future only YouTubers in number one action for my community. Super MCMC. My boss. Look at that! My boss is! You guys love that. So, thank you so much for watching this video. And see you in the next video. And anything, gaming, or stuff, anything more. Link down below comment if you want to know. Donate now if you know this is my PayPal. Don't forget it, okay? See you at the next video. Woo!